Orbital Mekatronics, a Make in India company over the 30 years solving this manufacturing industries with their wide range of safety and industrial automation products. Right now, we are at their stall of Automation Expo 2026.
In Orbital, we are offering this entire safety range of products which cover the safety light curtains, safety lidars, safety relays, safety interlock switches. Apart from safety light curtains, we also partner with IDEC range of products. There we are supplying control panels also, automation elements, plus entire range of IDEC products. So we also partner with the company called IDEC. IDEC is offering entire range of control panels, automation elements. We are also having the partnership with company called Maxon Korea. In that we are offering the entire range of the HMIs. They have the HMI is up to the 15-inch HMI range also they are having. In Orbital, we are offering the entire range of safety and automation solutions.